Healthy eating does not have to cost more if you have the time to invest in your family's food plan. Joining us today is UW Health registered dietitian Cassie Vanderwall with 3 strategies to reduce food waste and help you save money. Thanks so much for coming in. This is something a lot of families really struggle with because, you know, they put the food on the table and then see how much they're wasting.
Exactly. On average, families waste about 25% of everything they purchase. And if we know that they're spending about $250 a week, that could be $63 back in their pocket.
A week, yeah. Add that up over a year, it's big money. So you have 3 strategies to share with people. And the first strategy, you recommend taking stock before you shop.
Exactly. Get familiar with what's in your pantry, in the back of that freezer, in the bottom of those refrigerators, before you head to the store. Because sometimes what happens is things just keep getting pushed back further and further.
And do you say wait until you're running out of food? Because a lot of times people go every week regardless of whether they need the food.
Exactly. Sometimes it can be a challenge, your own Iron Chef or Top Chef family style, and getting creative with those cupboards. We recommend getting down to bare bones, so you really have to stick with those staples.
And now your second strategy is to get creative with your cupboards, and we have 2 graphics that go along with this. The first one, you say go through your family's staples and know what those are.
Exactly. We want to first make sure that those staples are safe to use after an extended period of time, so become familiar with expiration dates and the difference between those and sell-by and best-by dates. Also, we hope that families identify some staples that make grocery shopping quick and easy, because the more time we spend in the grocery store, perhaps is the more often we buy or impulse things.
Yeah, the things that you probably don't end up using or end up being expensive. You also say that if food is getting older, fruits and vegetables specifically overripe, you can still use them.
Yes, give them a second life. Lots of ugly fruits, so brown bananas make fabulous banana bread. Or those overripe berries, if you have time, make them into jam or dehydrate them, and they go great in oatmeal. Same thing with fruits and vegetables. Once they get a little saggy, like carrots, spinach,
greens,
yeah, you got it. Throw them in some soup or some dressings, all kinds of things.
And lastly, you say make sure that you're smart about portions.
Exactly. Age-appropriate portions is key. We know that it is a huge indicator and plays a large role in childhood obesity, especially, and what I brought today is a plate. We're recommending through the dietary guidelines for Americans that people build a plate that's a quarter starch, quarter protein, and half fruits or vegetables. So I tell people, if you can remember 2 household items to build a healthy plate, it's a baseball and a deck of cards.
Easy.
This is our protein, and this is our starch and our veggies.
Look at that, and then you'll be wasting a lot less food and saving a lot of money in the process.
You got it.
Cassie, thank you so much. We appreciate it.